there, how you doing? My name is Simisola Smith. I am the Regional Manager for Africa at the Berlin School of Business and Innovation. As the name implies, we are in Berlin, which is the capital city of Germany. I know these are times of uncertainty with the pandemic going on, but I want to assure you that the team at BSBI are on ground to support you in whatever way we can, through fast application procedures, through online learning, through a range of discounts spread across all our programs. So I'd like to invite you to still send in your applications today. Germany is one of the countries that are leading the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Germany is set to open their borders sooner than most other international countries, thereby inviting the chance for you to make your dream come true and study in one of the world's leading countries.